Hello again everyone. Tonight I would like to make a video tutorial on how to use BinglyBT. BinglyBT is an app to download a torrent, and on this occasion I would like to show how to download the torrent using the torrent download file. Okay, let me show you how to do that. So here's the application BinglyBT. You can download BinglyBT from Droid and Google Play Store. So here's the BinglyBT. Okay, to add the download task, you need to click this one. Okay, and click add. As you can see here, there are three ways to add your download task. There are enter a torrent URL, or magnet URL, or torrent hash. I did my tutorial before on torrent hash. So now I would like to make a video tutorial on how to use a torrent URL. Okay, we can search. So to do that, you need to open your browser and open a torrent site. In this case, I will use Lime's torrent.cc. Okay, here we are, and now just search what you want to download. Let's say a music. Let's say Ariana Grande. Okay, here so we have the list for Ariana Grande, the music, and also wallpaper. Okay, so let's say this one Ariana Grande set to side a music, an MP3. So how to download? So click this one, and next thing you need to do is to download the torrent. Click here, download torrent. Okay, just a very small download. Okay, it's done. Now go back to the BinglyBT. Here's click this, click add, and now you need to browse your download. Okay, use Explorer. Because I download them using UC browser, I'm going to search them from UC download. Okay, here Ariana Grande, take them and click OK. Okay, they will be added to the download task in a while. Just wait a little. Sorry, nothing happened so far. Let's wait a little longer. Okay, here we are. We have the thing, and now just click add. Okay, they are downloading, as you can see. Okay, they start the download. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope this is helpful. See you next time, and bye.